Now that you've got your finished background, we're going to start assembling our little volcano model. So you need to make a little volcano that goes in front of your background. I'm going to recommend using tin foil. So we're going to roll the tin foil into a cone shape. Make sure you poke a finger into the middle of it to show the crater of the volcano. And then you're just going to loosely tape your tin foil onto your base. It doesn't have to be firm, it's just to hold it still long enough for you to add your modroc. Now, when you're adding modroc, it's important to use little strips at a time, not great big chunks. So you're going to gradually use strips to build up the shape of the volcano. It's important that you blend each strip together by rubbing it with wet hands and wet fingers just to get rid of all those little white holes. Those are where the modroc hasn't quite set or been activated yet. So you've got to get all of those parts of the mesh wet and blend it together. Now, to fold your background, you want to make sure you're folding it to fit around your base. So you're just going to compare the size of your base to your backdrop and then put folds in so it fits perfectly. Now, I'm demonstrating how to add some glue tabs here. This is for the end after you've made your volcano, but that's how it's all going to hold together. So once your modroc is dry, you're going to paint your volcano. Now I'm going to recommend starting with your lava flows. You don't have to have 2 lava flows, although you can have more than 2 if you wish. The idea is you're going to use the lighter colours first and gradually get darker. So yellow lava, then red lava, and then the volcanic black rock around the outside. Try and use a gradient if you can, so darker areas for the shadowy parts and lighter areas for the highlights. Then you're going to glue some fluff in to show a plume of cloudy smoke coming out of your volcano. And this is the glue tab that we're making. It's just a strip of card that we're attaching to the bottom of the base. We're going to glue the tabs that kind of poke out the side, and they're going to attach to your background. Now you've got to hold it for a little while to let the glue set. And there you go, your finished model volcano.